I'm here to do an unboxing video today and I'm so excited. This was purchased through eBay and is shipped from Canada, and this was supposed to arrive on Thursday because it was overnighted to me, but it didn't arrive until earlier this afternoon, which is a Saturday. So you can see I ripped it. And oh my goodness, I'm so excited. If I can get this box out of the box. Ready? Ta-da! Oh my goodness. Okay, so it's another magnetic box, and ooh, she wrapped it in the tissue. Not sure if this is Chanel. Oh, yep. This is a Chanel tissue. Let me see if you guys can see. It says Chanel on it. I don't know if you guys can see that, or the lighting is kind of blurring it out. But, and here it is. She put it in the dust bag for me. And then it has the whole padding. And of course, your care card. Let me see what is in here. I believe it's just like a polishing cloth and care instructions, maybe. So you open it, yeah. So you have a cleaning dusting cloth right here. Has a little cardboard inside. Says Chanel down there. And on the other side, it is just a booklet, I believe. It's just telling you how to care for your item. So that was in this booklet right here. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. So it's in a drawstring dust bag to reveal. Ta-da! Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Let me see. Okay, so this is like a cream white, grayish, gold tone hardware. This is from the 2015 Cruise collection, and it's beautiful. It has the medallion on the chain, and if you guys have been subscribed to me for a while, you would know that I have had this bag in the black, in the bigger version, and I did end up selling that one just because I felt like it was too long lengthwise. So I wanted it in a smaller size in the black, but I couldn't find it in a price that I was willing to pay for. I didn't want to pay more than what I paid for the first one. So this one is way less than what I paid for the first one. I believe I paid $19.50 for the black one, and this one I paid $1,600 including shipping. So I did save some money, and she said that she's only worn it once. I don't, but it's not tarnishing on this area just yet. But I know the one I had, it had already tarnished in the front closure. This one doesn't. It is scratched up. I believe that's just the finish of it. But yeah, so it has this medallion, and I love this little medallion detail. It just says Chanel Paris, and the long shoulder strap. Let's open it up. She stuffed some tissue in there for me. It's just a black cloth lining, and the authenticity card, which is 22 series. She just has that in the pocket. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. So the black one, I believe I was able to crossbody it. Let me see if this one I can. Oh, I can. So it does seem a little shorter. Let me back up. But I do like my crossbody shorter anyways, so I don't mind it. Oh my goodness, it's so stinking cute. And because I do have this, I'm thinking of selling my small boy over here. Let me grab it for size comparison. So this one is my small Chanel boy bag in the double quilted stitching with the two-tone hardware, which is gold and ruthenium or gunmetal. So this is the small boy, and this is my new bag. Can you see? So let me see. It's a tad bit longer than the boy, but it's not probably the same width because you only really have this space for the boy bag. But yeah, and length, height wise, the Chanel Chevron Cruise 2015 is a little taller, but that's because of the flap. But yeah, I am going to be selling this if anybody is interested with the Chanel boy bag, small, double quilting, double two-tone hardware. My goodness. And this I purchased from Fashion File. It will come with a dust bag, authenticity card, and a Fashion File box. So please let me know if you're interested. I'll leave my information down below. But yeah, I'm so excited. This is so cute. I love this gold hardware. It is, I mean, it's like a flat gold. It's not a shiny gold, and it's not an old looking gold, like an antique gold, but I think it works well for the color of the bag. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe and hit that like button. See you later. Bye.